On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Faster.
The following movie is rated I.
Well, I tested the mic. I don't see anything wrong with it. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm wiggling the wire by the mic, by the plug, twisting the plug. I'm pulling on the plug, going back and forth, side to side. Don't know. Must be something with the plug. Weird. Got this stupid brick you gotta hook up. I like GoPro better when you had to plug the mic directly in, but they're not gonna listen to the people. Come on, DRZ. Let's see if your battery's good. Oh, no. It's shot. Look at it flicker. Well, looks like new battery time. I don't know what battery's in this thing. This is the filter. Don't look bad. Still has oil. So it's behind this panel. That's a little battery. Stupid cheesy. Stupid.
Dumbass!
I'm gonna have to order that online, I bet. I'm gonna have to get some tools. There's no tools in here. Or I could push it all the way to the garage. This is the first time I had to push my DRZ. Make sure my cat's not down here. What you doing, Gizmo? Trying to sneak out? Fix my DRZ. It's a USA battery. Useless. Bet it froze. And when they freeze, they's no good anymore. That'll learn you. Oh yeah, it's all bubbled up. Look at it. It froze. Yeah, I guess take a ride to Walmart. Maybe they have it. If not, order it online. Look like Whitey's gonna have to come to the rescue. See, I got gloves. You guys said I need gloves. I got gloves. They're right there. Come on, Whitey. Save the day. Testing out a new camera. There it goes. It's supposed to track you. It reminds me, I gotta pick up the stuff to wash the dirty back of my house. Maybe I'll get that too. Oh, little turtle. Get back over there, buddy. Oops. Aw, that was mean. He peed and everything. Go over here. That's his head, yeah. Go over there. Scared the pee-pee out of him. Usually you can hockey puck him and they'll go over to the edge and just slide off into the grass. He might turn around and go back across the road, who knows. I did my part. I'm helping. Thank you. I kind of don't like that sometimes, but it was safe because there was no other traffic. Well, if Walmart don't have it, hopefully one of the two auto parts stores do. Look at that traffic. Aw, poopy. Dodging potholes. Sport bike wants some. whitey. He don't know, does he? He didn't want none, whitey. You scared him. Walmart's jumping. Jeebus. All the good spots are taken. We'll even lock your steering. Don't want no one taking the whitey. Oh, he ain't even parked there. Or is he waiting for that one? No. I'd say they don't have it. Jeez, price of these batteries now. $459. No sevens. Let's see. Can we see what this 9 looks like? Oh, way too big. How about that's a 9? That's a 4. How about this 5? Darn. They don't have a 6? No. I told us so. Darn it. Oh. Scared me. People tell me that those could be scams. People ask me about the starter chain on this ZS190 motor I put on. Believe it or not, look at them rims. Oh God. Alright, back to the starter chain. Believe it or not, and this was what I believe was breaking the starter chain. When I broke down in Florida, my battery died. I had to turn on my battery pack. So anyway, my starter chain I believe was breaking because my jet needle wasn't down in that little reset of the plunger, so every time I'd give it gas it would raise that up and cough and it'd kick it back. How's it going? You have this battery? Alright. Well, thanks. Sorry about that. No problem. Have a nice day. You too. One more place to try, or you have to order it online? One last shot. This MF and battery. Do you have this battery, you think? Are they out on a shelf or? Oh. Yeah. Alright. Well, thanks anyway. Wow, that's too fat. It's
got to fit right in a small slot.
Yeah, it's got like a molded piece that.
What about the height?
I could do a hair higher.
With that? Is that too high?
It's both, yeah. And then this would be. I mean, that's even a little fat. Yeah, it's got a molded piece that.
Okay, got you. Sorry about that.
No problem. Thanks.
All right, man. Good luck.
Kind of knew it. Should have called. Amazon it is, I guess. Wasn't a wasted ride because I got to ride Whitey. So yeah, that's what I think was breaking my chain. I'd give it gas to take off and it would cough and kick back and break that chain instead of just stalling. I don't know if you remember the ride with the homeless people, but it was in there. I got everything blocked off now. Ooh, he's flying. Pull right out in front of them. It's alright. Can't see nothing with them mafia blocks now. Calm down, car behind me. Yeah, there's a little spring-loaded clip that kind of looks like a V. And if you don't get it in that very, very bottom hole, it's a little bit smaller than the other hole.
That's what she.
It'll allow that needle to lift up and down, make it super rich. And I noticed like it didn't do it all the time, but every once in a while you give it gas, take off, and it'll go coop. And I believe that's what was doing it. Because it hasn't broke a chain since. That was a long time ago. Still got my custom Kickstarter under the seat though, just in case. Oh, gas is flashing. That means there's not much left. I should have stopped when I was in New Milford. Oh well. I found this fire panel battery I've used before. They're like the same exact size. I didn't even realize it. I guess I could try it quick just to see if it fires up. We're at Cozzy's in Kent. Got a salad and a garbage pizza. Try it out. Someone dropped their cigar in a salad. I've never tried one of these. I think I'm going to try it. It's supposed to be New York style crust pizza. Looks pretty good. Maybe a little shy on the cheese side. That wasn't too bad actually. I never had one before. Looks like an old cigar, but it was pretty good. It's got like cheese and what, some meats or something in there?
Rice? I think it's just stuffed with rice.
Is it just rice? Yeah?
Yeah, I believe so. I could look it up.
It tastes like cheese or something.
Common, and like Greek salads and stuff like that.
Yeah.
My dad, he's crazy about them. I don't know why. He loves them.
I never had one before, but
Really?
I tried it and it's pretty good.
Oh, good, good. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. No, my dad loves them. He won't get a Greek salad unless they come with the stuffed with rice.
Nice. Alright, time for the rating. How was the food?
Give it a 9.
Yeah, I'd say 8.5. Oh, what do we have here? Motor Rider's mom's first ride. Let's try this 150. Fuel injected. 2010 Honda 150. I forget what it said it was, an SH150. See what she's got. 0 to 50. It's kind of little uphill though. There it is, close enough. Oh, there they are. Oh, don't wave. That wasn't very nice. Oh, this says when you push the rear brake, it does both brakes. Front brake's just front brake, but when you do the rear brake, it does both brakes. Huh. Neat. Let's see what we got up this hill. Oh, the fuel gauge is reading a little bit now. That's pretty good. You squeeze the back brake and both brakes so you don't lock up the back brake. Someone must have dumped it though. That lever's a little bent. All these scooters get dumped. Huh. Gas gauge is going up. Maybe bad connection, hit a few bumps, fixed it. Alright, now do 0 to 50. Ready? This is a slightly downhill. Boom, there it is. Come on, let's go. 60. Just about. Oh yeah, we got a little over 65. It'll probably do 70 in the right conditions. I'd have to sit way back on the back seat and lay down. It's all about aerodynamics. This CVT transmission takes off nice though. No shifting. Nice smooth speed increase. Pretty quick for a 150.
She said he has a carb condition. I can't get that cataracts.
Yeah, pretty good.
Do you think it's what I'm thinking, or is it just me?
Nah, it's straight.
Okay.
I got up to 65. I laid down on it. Probably, I almost could do 70.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.